What's up, guys? This is the Pumpkinhead here. Sorry if there is some noise in the back. We'll play another Subway Surfers. Let's try to reach Jake this time. And let's go! So let's just wait for it to load. Yeah, I'm really sorry I'm really sorry if it's noisy in the back. Just don't mind the mess. Just mind me. Alright. Alright, so. Oops, my microphone. It's here. Right, we're here today. Wait, let me just get my chest. Oh, hit start. Great. Now let's try to reach Jake. And yes, I do have a Jake skin, so I can pass him. Kinda rude, actually. But it's for the video. What's this Tokyo theme for? Maybe it's some like Japanese anime. Bonnie. It's not from FNAF. Maybe they'll get copyright. No, mate. I'm not British. I just said mate for some reason. I would have died if I just went straight. What does that mean? It's a bunch of Japanese words. It's in the song. Yes. It's the same me, the Pumpkinhead. I did not say my name, so you guys might not know that it's actually me, but it's me. Oh my god, I almost died. I almost died right there too. Jump, and Bonnie. They're tricky right now. Next is Mutiny, which I failed at my last video. I almost died. At least I just bumped someone. Alright. Mutiny time. I will beat you, Mutiny. It's the last thing I'll do. So the promise is like last time. If I beat Jake, then subscribe. If I beat Mutiny, then you have to like. Oh. Alright, you have to like now. This is Jake. Get ready to subscribe. Yep. I have to reach my high score. Let's go. Continue. Come on, continue. It's really fast. Oh, dang it. Alright, that's the video. See ya. Alright, there's another video. That's really cool.